California's Lemon Law protects San Diego consumers who buy or lease defective vehicles. It allows for a refund or replacement if repeated repair attempts fail to resolve issues affecting a vehicle's use, safety, or value provided it is still under warranty. While some consumers choose to handle Lemon Law claims themselves to save on legal fees, this route carries both advantages and risks. Self-representation saves attorney fees, offers full control, faster outcomes, and better legal understanding. Drawbacks include complex legal procedures and facing skilled manufacturer lawyers who may contest claims on technicalities. Self-represented individuals may struggle with organizing crucial documentation, risk settling for less compensation, and face emotional and time burdens. Before DIY representation, consumers should evaluate their legal knowledge, have detailed repair records, be comfortable negotiating, and be ready for arbitration or court proceedings. In contrast, working with a skilled Lemon Law attorney, especially in complicated or disputed cases, can improve the chances of success. Most California attorneys work on a contingency basis, meaning legal fees are covered by the manufacturer if the case is won. Ultimately, while self-representation is possible, professional legal support often ensures better outcomes and reduced stress. A free legal consultation is recommended to evaluate one's best course of action. If you have a lemon, please call Julian McMillan at McMillan Law Group at 619-7959430. That's 619-7959430, or email us at julian@McMillanLawGroup.com for your free case evaluation.